Dashboard here. Now I spotted this Dodge out in the wild. Now this is a big dually Dodge pickup truck pulling a trailer with a couch on it. Now that being said, it looked a little odd for a truck like that to be pulling a little trailer with a couch on it, when the couch easily could have fit in the bed of the truck. Now I'll admit I couldn't see in the bed of the truck, but it sure looked empty. Now I will say it could have been had a gooseneck fifth wheel or something in the bed that I couldn't see. But I'm just pointing this out because it looked odd to see that big truck pulling a little tiny trailer with a little couch on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.